Hi. High schoolers, I want to make a video for you because you are about to transition from high school to college. And it's exciting, it's scary, it's all the feels, right? And I know that we made a really popular video for high schoolers before. It was how to get an internship in high school, which we'll link below. But it did so well that I thought my high schoolers are going to be college freshmen and they need some content from me. So I sat down to think about what do I wish that I knew in the process when transferring from high school to college. And I also asked one of our brand new hires, our former intern who just graduated college, I said, if you had a younger sister that was about to go to college because she's fresh out of college, what advice do you have? So here's some of the tips that we have. Number one, you know you best. You know you. So I think it's important to ask yourself a few questions as you make this transition, and I wrote them down. What do you want, right? How do you want to spend your time? What do you want? What do you want to get out of your college experience? How do you want to spend your time? What things do you really want to be part of? I know you want to be part of 100 things, but what do you actually care about being part of? When I first started Intern Queen, my advice was all about you have to do everything, you have to do everything. And now I've really pulled that back because people started doing everything. And I would much rather you pick one or two things and really commit to them and see them through and take them really seriously than you do 500 different things. So think about what you want to do, but also keep an open mind because things might surprise you. You know, you might go through sorority rush thinking you want a certain sorority. You might be attracted to another. You might go to that first week activities fair. You might think you want to do the ad club, but then the PR club or the drama club or something else, a political organization, right, pulls you in their direction. So think about what you want. Ask yourself those questions, but also try not to be too locked in and really keep an open mind about things. Another tip I have is create your study sanctuary. We all know, and I know you know from high school, how hard it can be to just find peace and quiet and focus. It is such a noisy world. We're always on TikTok. We're always on Instagram. We're doing all these things. Our roommates always have the TV on. Try to find a space that can be your space, even if it's in a corner. I mean, I know how it is being in a college dorm, but how can you set up your study area in a way that's comfortable for you? Even if it's you sitting on your bed, taking one of those like portable desks, right, and putting it on your lap with your favorite beverage, like whatever that is, really try to focus on creating that safe study sanctuary for you so that when it is time to do your homework, you're ready. Be open to new friends and new experiences. Yeah, you might know a bunch of people from high school that are going to your school. And of course, you want to nurture your friendships with them, but don't be afraid to go out there, try new experiences, meet new people. Don't be afraid to talk to people in class. Don't be afraid of being the first person to ask a question or answer a question in a class. That's okay. Be open to building real relationships with your professors. These people are really interesting and they have some really impressive backgrounds. So don't underestimate the value of developing a positive relationship with a professor. Call your parents, as silly as that sounds. Like, no need to disconnect. You can find time in your busy day to call your parents, right? You can do that. Start keeping track, and this was a tip that our new hire who just graduated college gave, was start keeping a running list. It can be on a computer, on a notepad, maybe on your phone, of all of the professional experiences you get at school, within school clubs, if you start getting internships, because you'll eventually want to take that information and you'll want to start building your resume. Think about ways to budget, obviously, right? This isn't a budget heavy video, but everyone's got a budget, so know what your budget is, pay attention to what things cost, and make smart decisions. Obviously, you know, renting your textbooks or even just ordering them on Amazon, buying them used, are all things that you can do to kind of save money. There's so many student discounts out there, you guys. You are so lucky to be a student. I am super jealous. So make sure that you're Googling student discounts because there are so many for so many great places, stores, restaurants, etc. And then use your career center. Set that precedent early that you are going to get to know the people that work in that career center and you are going to put yourself in front of them, I would say at least once a semester, to tell them them what you're up to build a relationship with them, and to see what opportunities are coming their way. Your dream employer, if they want to hire someone from your school, who are they going to call? The Career Center. So it's really your job to put yourself in front of them. Start doing it freshman year on a regular basis. I'm really excited for your freshman year. My freshman year, I went to Florida State. It was amazing. I met people that I am still in touch with to this day. So really enjoy this time. It's really special, and I hope my tips were helpful. Comment, let me know how I can help with the next video. See you guys next time.